In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable data saver on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings of Facebook. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for preferences, you should be able to find this option for media. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the media settings. Over here you'll be able to find this section for video quality. Right over here you'll be able to find this option for data saver. If you enable it, you'll be able to use up to 40% less data by reducing the video quality on Facebook. So what you have to do is check on this option, data saver. Now after you do that, the data saver will be enabled. Simply go back and the changes will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to enable the data saver. So that is how you enable data saver on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.